Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and science. In today's video, we'll be discussing that can artificial intelligence transform the search for alien intelligence. AI is now used in virtually all areas of science to help researchers with routine classification tasks. It's also helping our team of radio astronomers broaden the search for extraterrestrial life, and results so far have been promising. Discovering alien signals with AI. As scientists searching for evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, we have built an AI system that beats classical algorithms in signal detection tasks. Our AI was trained to search through data from radio telescopes for signals that couldn't be generated by natural astrophysical processes. When we fed our AI a previously studied dataset, it discovered 8 signals of interest the classic algorithm missed. To be clear, these signals are probably not from extraterrestrial intelligence and are more likely rare cases of radio interference. Nonetheless, our findings, published Jan. 30 in Nature Astronomy, highlight how AI techniques are sure to play a continued role in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Not so intelligent. AI algorithms do not understand or think. They do excel at pattern recognition and have proven exceedingly useful for tasks such as classification. But they don't have the ability to problem solve. They only do the specific tasks they were trained to do. So although the idea of an AI detecting extraterrestrial intelligence sounds like the plot of an exciting science fiction novel, both terms are flawed. AI programs are not intelligent, and searches for extraterrestrial intelligence can't find direct evidence of intelligence. Instead, radio astronomers look for radio technosignatures. These hypothesized signals would indicate the presence of technology and, by proxy, the existence of a society with the capability to harness technology for communication. For our research, we created an algorithm that uses AI methods to classify signals as being either radio interference or a genuine technosignature candidate. And our algorithm is performing better than we'd hoped. What our AI algorithm does. Technosignature searches have been likened to looking for a needle in a cosmic haystack. Radio telescopes produce huge volumes of data, and in it are huge amounts of interference from sources such as phones, Wi-Fi and satellites. Search algorithms need to be able to sift out real technosignatures from false positives, and do so quickly. Our AI classifier delivers on these requirements. It was devised by Peter Ma, a University of Toronto student and the lead author on our paper. To create a set of training data, Peter inserted simulated signals into real data, and then used this dataset to train an AI algorithm called an autoencoder. As the autoencoder processed the data, it learned to identify salient features in the data. In a second step, these features were fed to an algorithm called a random forest classifier. This classifier creates decision trees to decide if a signal is noteworthy or just radio interference, essentially separating the technosignature needles from the haystack. After training our AI algorithm, we fed it more than 150 terabytes of data from the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia. It identified 20,515 signals of interest, which we then had to manually inspect. Of these, 8 signals had the characteristics of technosignatures and couldn't be attributed to radio interference. 8 signals, no redetections. To try and verify these signals, we went back to the telescope to re-observe all 8 signals of interest. Unfortunately, we were not able to redetect any of them in our follow-up observations. We've been in similar situations before. In 2020, we detected a signal that turned out to be pernicious radio interference. While we will monitor these 8 new candidates, the most likely explanation is they were unusual manifestations of radio interference, not aliens. Sadly, the issue of radio interference isn't going anywhere, but we will be better equipped to deal with it as new technologies emerge. Narrowing the search. Our team recently deployed a powerful signal processor on the Meerkat telescope in South Africa. Meerkat uses a technique called interferometry to combine its 64 dishes to act as a single telescope. This technique is better able to pinpoint where in the sky a signal comes from, which will drastically reduce false positives from radio interference. If astronomers do manage to detect a technosignature that can't be explained away as interference, it would strongly suggest humans aren't the sole creators of technology within the Milky Way. This would be one of the most profound discoveries imaginable. At the same time, if we detect nothing, that doesn't necessarily mean we're the only technologically capable intelligent species around. A non-detection could also mean we haven't looked for the right type of signals, or our telescopes aren't yet sensitive enough to detect faint transmissions from distant exoplanets. projects that uses AI in the search for extraterrestrial life. One such project is the Breakthrough Listen initiative, which is a $100 million effort to search for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. The project uses AI to analyze the vast amounts of data collected by the world's most powerful telescopes, looking for patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. Another project that uses AI in the search for extraterrestrial life is SETI, which is a distributed computing project that allows volunteers to donate their computer's processing power to analyze radio signals from space. The project uses AI algorithms to help identify patterns in the data that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. AI is also being used to help analyze data from NASA's Kepler and TESS missions, which search for exoplanets and other star systems. AI algorithms can help identify potential planets that might be suitable for life by analyzing the data for signs of habitability, such as the presence of water or an atmosphere. Overall, AI is proving to be a valuable tool in the search for extraterrestrial life, allowing researchers to analyze large amounts of data quickly and efficiently, and increasing the chances of making a discovery that could change our understanding of the universe. Thank you for watching our video on how AI is being used to hunt for extraterrestrial life. With the help of AI, we may be one step closer to finding evidence of life beyond Earth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.